Hello, I'm in a 2011 Nissan Leaf, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth to your phone interface. So first, you want to make sure that the vehicle is turned on. And then it should take just a moment for everything to boot up. In the meantime, you want to make sure your phone's powered on, as well as something like this blue highlighted, because that means your Bluetooth's on your phone. And typically if you hold it down, it'll bring you to your Bluetooth menu, which you'll want as well. Alright, so now it's all booted. This should open a screen like similar to this. We're going to hit menu, and then settings, or you can do phone, whichever will get you the same place. And then Bluetooth connections. And then connect Bluetooth. And then either way, we'll do yes. 5. So there's a max number of devices in every vehicle you can have, so we'll have to delete one first. So yes. We'll just delete this iPhone. Delete. Yes. Now there's room for a new phone. So we will go that, and then connect Bluetooth. And then, yep, now you want to make sure your device is in a scan mode. So it is now. So now it's just a matter of watching for something that makes sense. Well, watching to make sure the car's still trying to sync. It's probably going to be whatever that is there. My car, but that's it. So we'll do that. It says this pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. It might be something different. It's usually something like that, or 0, 0, 0, 0, or some random stuff. Alright, so now this is pairing on my end, and it says it's connected from my phone now, so I believe we are all set. So it should let you take phone calls now, listen to music, things like that. And as you saw, to delete another phone first, they have a limit to storage. If you're having issues, you might have to try this a few times. That's just how technology is sometimes, like restarting your car, restarting your phone. Also, a lot of models won't let you connect while driving, so you might need to park first and then try this all again. But otherwise, let's see. And then if for some reason this all's not working, a lot of times you can find something like this in your car that activates all the voice commands, and through that, typically you can also get connected to Bluetooth, saying things like connect phone, Bluetooth settings, add phone, different phrases like that till you find something that gets you where you're trying to go. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.